Salvador, Bahia, Bahia. And Brazil. I'm a trainer and a drainer in this amazing retreat. One day you're going to come and you're going to join us, and you're going to have the best, most incredible week of your life. You will spend time getting wonderful treatments that work on your body, help sculpt it, help rid of the toxins, work with the mud and the body, the skin, the wrinkles, everything. It will detox you from head to toe. And then you'll be training on the beach. You will be doing yoga, Pilates. We'll do any type of workout that you want. We'll customize it to you. And right now, here is the trainer. She is the trainer. She will take care of your body with a wonderful treatment.